Hi, welcome to Back to School Night. This is Honors Biology, and I am Ms. Zimmerman. We also have a language specialist in this class named Ms. Beachy, who is going to her daughter's Back to School Night tonight. Welcome. We're going to do some introductions, we're going to look at the syllabus a little bit, and we're going to talk all about this class tonight. So, my name is Kate Zimmerman. Like I said, I am a member of the Blair Science Department. I teach astronomy with physics, and I also teach biology. I have 9 years in education. I started out as a paraeducator in special ed, and I also have 2 years when I taught in the south of Chile. I taught English down there, which was a lot of fun. Go Blazers! All right, so on my MCPS classroom for biology, you guys will be able to see objectives and agendas for every day that your students are in class. Although we do a lot of work that is on paper, and that is something that your students would have to attend class to receive. We do a little bit of homework in this class, but mostly if you just haven't finished something during the allotted time in class. On Canvas, you can also access the syllabus, which talks about grading policies, and you can also access PowerPoint presentations that we use for notes in class. Our biology curriculum is based on state and federal NGSS and biology standards. And we also do a lot of project-based summative assessments. So right now we're in our fall semester. We just finished up science, safety, and procedures, and we're starting to learn about interdependent relationships and moving into matter and energy and ecosystems. In the spring semester, you can look forward to structure and function of cells, inheritance and variation of traits, and natural selection and evolution. So I thought we could play a little game, biology, true or false. Let's see if you guys remember or are informed about biology at all, current findings. First question. Octopuses have only one heart and blood that looks similar to fish blood. True or false? False. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood because they have a copper-based molecule in their blood instead of an iron-based molecule like fish, and also similar to humans that have red blood. Next question. Quantities of underwater grasses are increasing fast and surprisingly. Is this true or false? Underwater grasses. This is false. Maryland has reported a decline in underwater grass in the Chesapeake Bay. A pretty sturdy decline in just 1 year, over 2,000 acres less. So we talk about the Chesapeake Bay and ecosystems in this class, and we have such a beautiful, rich area to learn about ecosystems with. I'm very lucky here. True or false? Your brain can eat itself. What do you think? This is true. After extreme sleep deprivation, brain cells can actually start cleaning up cleaning up and destroying parts of synapses. Synapses are the connections between neurons. So they are what carry that information from different parts of your brain and help your nervous system communicate with itself. And after sleep deprivation, you can actually start losing some of those capabilities. Extreme sleep deprivation. Next one. Question. There are more bacteria in your mouth than people on the earth. More bacteria in your mouth than people on the earth. This one is true. There are over 6 billion bacteria in your mouth, and actually many of those are necessary for digestion, but you can imagine that a lot of them are just gross. Okay, back to the Chesapeake Bay here. Salt marshes of the Chesapeake Bay are a globally rare habitat, housing birds found almost nowhere else. True or false that we have a lot of birds that are found nowhere else in our globally rare habitat here in the Chesapeake Bay? This is true. We are actually known for more than just our blue crabs here in Maryland. So, back to biology logistics. In the end of the year, we have an assessment, the end of course assessment here, that will be factored into the second or the semester B final grade, and it will weigh about 20% of that grade. So we do spend all year working on language, writing skills, and of course biology knowledge that will help prepare your students for this end of the year semester assessment. Just to note, you're not required to pass this assessment to graduate, but you must pass the course to graduate. So make sure that students attend class and they will do well on this exam. So what are your students doing every day? Every day we make it a goal to do real science in this class. We're looking at objectives, we're defining variables, we're planning and processing, we are experimenting, we're analyzing, and we're using our language skills to interpret and draw conclusions. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to know about biology. And again, if you'd like to contact me, my email is catherine.zimmerman@mcpsclassroom. Catherine.zimmerman@mcpsmd.net.